Lovely, Nilla. Would you like to see something really cool?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just going to use a deck of cards to see can we get this effect. You look very excited already.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what we got here. We've got a nice, clean, fresh deck of cards, all right?
Okay.
And I just want to prove that to you first of all. You can see clearly there's no two cards the same, all right? Happy with that?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to just roughly separate them in the middle somewhere, okay? And I'm going to put this deck here. And I'm going to put this deck here. Now, something really interesting is going to happen, right? I'm going to try and get a card to move from one area to the other without you knowing, okay?
Okay.
But first of all, I want you to say stop with any card you want.
So.
This one here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's your card, okay? So what we're going to do is, I'd like you to get this and cut them in half, right? But I want you to mix them back to front. Do you know what I mean? So mix these into these but going the opposite way.
Okay.
Perfect. When you're doing that, I'll put these cards away. Excellent stuff. Perfect. So you do play a lot of cards, you do shuffle a lot of cards, deal a lot of cards?
It's been a long time since I shuffled a pack of cards.
Yeah, put all these away. You're doing that. Perfect stuff. So lovely. So whenever you're ready, you can just put it down for a minute. Right, so this is your card. You happy? Okay. I'm just going to put it in the middle somewhere there. And what I want you to do is I want you to tap it in so you know I'm not doing nothing funny. Okay, it's in there. You happy? 2 of clubs. Got your card?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to see can I get it to move from here to here. Okay?
Great.
You don't believe me, do you? Okay, watch this. So your 2 of clubs is gone. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, no, it's one of these ones, am I right? You're thinking it's one of the ones.
Could be, yeah.
Well, let's just make sure. Look. So what I want you to do is turn that one over. And I want you to turn this one over. I'd like you to turn this one over. Because in reality, the 2 of clubs should be here, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, if it's not here, what does that mean? It means
Somewhere else.
somewhere else, yeah. And I'm just touching these because I don't want you to think I'm doing nothing funny, I'm not. Oh, we've 2 cards left. So, if that's not the 2 of clubs, it's gone.
What the fuck? Right.
It's gone, am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're happy?
Yeah.
Like, no, make sure because I don't want you anyone thinking,
yeah.
there's
No,
not there.
it's not
is it?
there.
Not there. Okay, perfect. You get these out of the way. I like you to keep things tidy, okay? But what I'd like you to do, Nuala, is I did say at the start I'm going to make it move from one area to another, isn't I?
Yeah.
Would you mind just lifting that box beside me there? A bit crazy. But you agree? No. Not over yet. Right? Because we're still working. Now, I'm going to see can I get it to go from here over here. Okay, so what we do is we've got the same cards. 2 of clubs, and what we do is we put it in here. And again, I'd like you to I'd like you to tap it in there for me. Perfect. It's in there. You sure?
Yeah.
I didn't. Perfect. Now. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Did I do that right? I'm actually trying to think. Sorry. So now we know. Oh yeah. Sorry. So now we know we put it in here, so it should be over here at this stage.
Yeah.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Close your card.
2 of clubs.
2 of clubs. Huh? And I'll show all of these cards. Huh? And I'm going to put them out in front of you in a second. But watch. 2 of clubs is no longer there. Right, 2 of spades. Can you see 2 of clubs there?
No.
Okay, so it's gone. So only a second ago we put it in there, you tapped in and I closed the box, right? So if it's not there, could it be in there? What do you reckon?
Well, it has to be somewhere.
It's a bit crazy if it is, isn't it? Oh, look at that.
It's madness.
It is a bit crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we went from there to there, from there back to there.
Back.
Perfect, thank you.